Try! Gawas na lang siya guys, kaya gusto na daw siya maligo niya. Wala pa mangod siya nakuan. Ay, busy pa may dito sa kitchens. So, moni mo ang invite. Why digging the hole there? Ay! They make it look at talaga. They make it look at the ugat so that he won't come back already. Yung mga kahoy dati dyan guys. Yung mga kahoy. Then, meron kami ditong mini tanim. With the pineapple and the lemon seed too. Try! So, like that guys, kailangan yun niya maligo first para fresh and nice yung feeling every day. Oh, yes.